It was the holiday season of 2013. Shoppers filled stores across the US, swiping credit cards, buying gifts. But behind the scenes, something massive was happening. Hackers were quietly stealing millions of card numbers in real time. This is the story of the Target breach, one of the largest retail hacks in history. The attackers didn't hack Target directly. They came in through a third-party HVAC vendor. The vendor had access to Target's internal systems for billing and maintenance. The attackers used stolen credentials to log in, and from there began moving laterally inside the network. Once in, they planted malware on the point-of-sale POS systems across thousands of stores. The malware was designed to capture credit and debit card data as it was swiped at the checkout. Unencrypted data, straight from the memory of the POS machines, was quietly collected and sent to attacker-controlled servers. The hackers did this for over 2 weeks during peak holiday shopping. In total, they stole 40 million credit and debit card numbers and 70 million customer records, including names, emails, and phone numbers. The breach was discovered when banks noticed unusual patterns of fraud tied to Target transactions. Cybersecurity firm FireEye, which had been monitoring the network, flagged the malware, but early alerts were reportedly missed or ignored. By the time Target reacted, the damage was done. The attackers had already exfiltrated the data, and it was being sold on underground marketplaces. The impact was enormous. Target faced over $200 million in expenses. Executives, including the CEO and CSAW, resigned. The company settled with banks and states for millions, and customer trust took a major hit. The breach also triggered new conversations about supply chain security and network segmentation. The Target breach wasn't just about one company. It exposed how weak third-party access and poor monitoring can bring down even the biggest organizations. Today, the breach is a case study in retail cybersecurity failures and a turning point in how the industry views risk. This was the Target breach. It started with an air conditioner vendor and ended with 40 million stolen cards. Subscribe to Door for more real-world cyber stories that changed everything.